Okay guys, welcome back to the Homestead Tree Decor channel. This is video 3 in the pop-up shop on Printify. So now we've got our product design. We need to load it into our store. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to catalog. In this case, I'm going to select phone case. I'm just going to pick one for simplicity's sake. I've got designs already in my cart here. So I'm going to just select design. If you had a new design, you'd have to upload it from your device. But in my case, I have a library of designs, so I'm going to just pick one here. I'm going to pick my new tropical pattern. I'm going to choose the scale of my pattern and just put it at 5. And I'm going to come on down here and I'm going to create the pattern. And then I'm going to save the product. Once the product's been saved, you'll see a bunch of mock-ups pop up. You just scroll on down here until you see where the retail price is. This is where you set your price for your profit margin. And once you've selected a profit margin that you're comfortable with, you just hit publish. Once you've hit published, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get this product out to the masses. Stay tuned for the next video.